Hello, this is Scott from Hi-Lux Optics, back at the range on the perfect day for shooting. 75 degrees, no clouds in sight, and about a 5-mile-an-hour breeze coming from either 3 or 9 o'clock, depending on which way the wind is feeling. We're here to break in and get sighted in this 6-power long scope, utilizing the direct Dovetail mounts. These are mounted onto an 1885 high wall chambered in 4570. This scope is a little different from previous versions of the 6-power. The elevation is done entirely at the rear like you're familiar with, while the windage is down at the front end near the muzzle. At the back, we're going to be obeying the classic rule of move the rear in the direction you want your impacts to go. If I need the impacts to be higher, I move the rear higher. While at the front, all that's reversed, so we're going to have to keep that in mind as we get along. Our first step today will be to get bore sighted at 50 yards where we have a paper target set up. Following that, we'll burn some of the remaining old random ammo just to get roughly on paper. And it's going to be fun because, as this says, do not shoot in the 86 Winchester hot. So we'll be starting off with a little shoulder bruising fun before moving on to the reloads, reaching out to 100 yards and then taking it farther, see if we can't get out to 600 yards or more. Follow along as we get this sighted in, get it shooting, put it through its paces, and hopefully have the remainder of a great day out here in the desert where no matter what, the humidity's always low, the sun is always shining, and there's targets ready for us to hit.
We're walking it down. That one hit target 4 at 4:30 on the sheet above.
Yeah, I see it. These ones definitely have a lot more pepper in them.
Mm.
Let's see sniper. Don't ask me what it is. Once the notes leave the boxes, I'm gonna off.
Nice. Dead on elevation on target 1. 3 o'clock on the outer ring.
Okay. Okay, in case the audio picks up, we are going to re-zero this turret. There are 2 screws, set screws on the sides, undo both of those, turn it until the zero's where you want it to be. I'm going to try not to get in the way of the camera. Unfortunately, that means I might not be able to line this up perfectly. Okay, here we go.
Okay, low. Way low. I saw the impact hit somewhere in between 100 to 200. It was out of frame, but it like arced down. Maybe do like another
5.
Another 5.
Actually, make it
Maybe
8.
10. Here, I readjusted the frame so I could see the ground.
Ready?
Yep, ready. Oh, you destroyed it.
Oh, nice.
Can you do 8?
Ready.
You use a notebook and you write the adjustments down as you do it.
Well, for now, I'm going to have to transcribe from the camera.
What?
I'm going to have to transcribe from the footage.
No comment.
Impact.
That hit it.
Yep.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Close.
Close. It dropped at the base of the target, so maybe a little bit more.
And I think I need to come a little more left.
A little bit. Yeah, it hit like edge, like right edge of the target. So maybe favor the left edge.
I'm just going to dial a bit because we're going to definitely need wind out at 600. Okay.
Сейчас выгоню тебя, пусть летает себе мушка. На тебе вообще ничего не делает.
Impact.
Nice. All right, good to go?
Good to go. Maybe hold like, if you didn't win, maybe hold like a target to the left. That might have been low. Base of the target, windage was good. So come up maybe just a little bit.
Yeah.
Still trying for the small one.
Not touching.
Ah, okay.
He's a little bit high.
Смотри туда. You're good. You're all
Impact.
Thank you so much. You want one? I'll try one.
See if you can hit it a second time.
Examine it.
You guys need to roll it. We buy it. So I know the cost of it.
At my age,
Impact.
it's cheaper for me to shoot this than shoot
Okay, number 3.
So how far can I shoot in it?
Well, it doesn't shoot very far. Try the gongs again. Try that small one on the top. You see it there?
Yeah.
Ah! I overjudged the wind when it was dying.
Like I didn't see it.
I have no idea either.
But I'd say we're pretty darn close.
Yeah. Where are you holding?
Yeah, like the one in
That's a little bit bigger.
Oh.
So you were about a target to the right.
Missed it?
Yeah. So just hold the target to the left.
Yeah, there's a little bit of
lower,
wind, so
I guess.
hold, compensate to the left of the target.
That's a
Impact.
hit.
Nice.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
High. Off of the 1 o'clock.
Saw that.
Man, you could never step in front of the any further.
But still, quite close. You never have to move more than half a target.
That's nice.
Нельзя. Слушай, это я взрослый. Listen to older.
It went off the right as well?
It went off of the 1 o'clock, about 2 inches.
Okay.
So same hold, come down half a target. That's a hit.
Nice. Try to do that again.
Nice old 383.
Yeah, 383, and then an old Olympic. I had a mix of new and old. That's a hit.
Nice.
I got one from the NRA when they released.
All right, one more for good measure.
Mine brand spanking new with a what they call the star barrel marking.
Я с этим ускорглазом
Yeah.
поговорил,
Only
они делают
because I
сами
used
это.
somebody to step over and shoot you in your mouth.
Но это такой
Let
тяжелый,
somebody throw it to me.
реально мощь.
That's a hit.
Nice. 3 in a row.
All those hits were at about 4 o'clock, maybe 5 inches from the center.
Sweet. Give my shoulder a little break. I decided to go no shoulder pad.
Well, you couldn't have asked for a more perfect day at the range. This ammo is not one that we've used before. It's a relatively new combination we're trying out, and it turned out to be just as precise and accurate as we had hoped for. We started at 50, moved to 100, got off the paper and moved to steel because really, that's what we're here for at the end of the day. 100, 200, 300, skip 400, went straight to 580, from 580 on out to 650 yards. This rifle, this ammo, and the scope performed beautifully. At the end of the day, looking at the overall adjustment, it ended up being about 65 MOA to get from 100 out to 650. Once I'm back in the office, I'll go through the footage, figure out my other distances, and we'll have starter dope for this new load. I gotta say, this went perfectly. I couldn't have asked for a better day, except for the fact that we ran out of ammo. Well, it happens, but that's the best way for it to happen. I hope you all have fun out there shooting whatever it is you're shooting, and stay tuned as we abuse the scope a little more on other rifles, load a lot more ammo, and try to punch some holes through steel as best we can. Take it easy out there.